Hello everyone. You might be wondering how you are asking yourself, how can I protect my flash drive or my hard drive with a password so that no one else can open it without my permission? Today that is what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how to put a password or to encrypt your storage media so that no one else can open it without your permission. It is quick and simple. What you do, you just go to control panel, then from control panel you click on large icons or small icons. You go to BitLocker, drive encryption. Okay, you select your drive. Like for example, now I have this flash here. I want to encrypt it. Okay, this one, let me show you. This one, everything that is stored here, I want the computer to bring a password entry form where someone is supposed to put in the password. Okay, you go here and say, and you click on it to expand. To expand it, you just say turn on BitLocker. You wait. Okay, here you say use password. You have two options, either to use password or smart card, but now for our case we're going to use password. Here you put your password. Okay, you select next. It is saying that my password does not meet minimum length requirement. It's okay. What I'm going to do, let me just put a longer password. But for your case, put a password that you will not forget. Okay. Okay, after doing that, you press next. Now here it will ask you if you want to back up your recovery key. That is what you use in case you forget the password. Okay, for our case, let me just say, okay, save to a file. I'm going to maybe save it on the desktop. Save. Press next. Now here you have two options. You have encrypt, use this space only, faster and best, or encrypt the entire drive, slower but best for PCs and drive already in use. We select the second one. We select next. Okay, now here you have another one. New encryption mode, best for fixed drive. Compatible mode, best for drives that can be removed. Because it is my flash, I'm going to select the last one. We'll press next. Start encrypting. Okay, we close this. As you can see, our drive is encrypting. We have to wait. We have to wait to reach 100%. It is still at 0.2%. I'm going to fast forward this. I'm going to fast forward this to make the video shorter.
Here I click on close. Now let us go and see our flash. Is here. Okay, what we are going to do, let me first eject it and insert it again to confirm if our experiment has worked. Okay, now I'm inserting it again. Okay, now here it is locked. When we try to double click it, it is asking for the password. Okay, and let me put the password which I have which I have put. Unlock. See, it has worked. Once I put the password, it is unlocked. Thank you guys. That is today's video. If you find it helpful or valuable, please help me and subscribe, because if you subscribe, that is the way you can contribute to my channel, and it is for your own benefit that whenever I upload any video, you'll be able to find it easily. Thank you. Bye bye.